Checking out my indoor garden. Y'all know my fan be making that noise, man. Checking on my peppers. You know, they pollinate themselves. Once I get them going, I need some more peppers over here, man. So I'm gonna throw probably some other flowers in here, some other stuff in here. Pollen comes straight off of that. Let's go, man. My peppers are doing well in there. In the 5x3, Mars Hydro Light, and just a fan. I don't have a inline fan, to take bad air out. I just open the tent every once in a while because I want to keep it real humid in here. The humidity already dropped down to 58%. I'm going to keep it around 60, 65. So I'm going to keep it going in here. I love my vegetables. Hope you do too. Let's go. Some nice bell peppers right here, baby. Nature's Thumb way. Yep.